Class 4 students, Grammar Way. Grammar Way, today's lesson is lesson number 17. Today's lesson is lesson number 17. It is in your annual exam course. So please watch attentively at home, children. This is very important lesson. Let's see the lesson, what is there. Articles. Today's lesson is articles. The word a and the are called articles. A and n are called indefinite articles, while the is called the definite articles. There are three types of articles in English: a and the. A and n are called indefinite articles, whereas the is called the definite articles. A is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. A is the articles we generally use before a consonant. Which are consonant? There are 21 consonants. There are 21 consonant. Some of the consonant I am telling: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q. Like this, 21s are there. These 21 consonants generally have A before them. Some of the examples I will tell you now, children. A cup, C is a consonant. A fish, F is a consonant. A hat, H is a consonant. A pineapple, P is a consonant. So C, F, H, P are the consonant. So they have A before them. N is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. Examples: an army, an elephant, an igloo, an owl. Means like A is used before consonant, N is used before vowels. There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels in English. 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So these vowels have N before them, like an army, an elephant, an igloo, an owl. O, I, E, A or A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels. They generally have N before them. Some words begins with vowel, but the vowels has the sound of a consonant. My U means some of the words they are written with vowels, but they don't have N before them because of their pronunciation. They are pronounced like consonants. You pronounce consonant sound, so they don't have N before them. They have A. Like examples: a uniform, a university, a European. You can see U uniform, U university, E European, but they have A before them. Why? Because their pronunciation is U. U pronounced word generally have A before them. They don't have N because of their pronunciation. Even though they are having U and E, these are 2 vowels, then also they are having A before them because of their pronunciation. U pronounced word generally have A before them, not N. Next, some words begins with consonant, but the consonant has sound of a vowel. O means some word written with the help of consonant, but they have N before them because of their pronunciation here. They are pronounced like vowels O, so they have N before them. Like examples: an honorable man, an honest boy, an hour. You can see H honorable, H honest, H hour. all H are there, the H is a consonant. It is not a vowel. Then also these three words are having N before them because of their pronunciation. Honorable. We don't pronounce H. We pronounce from O. Honorable, honest, hour. These are all pronouns O pronouns. So O pronouns word generally have N before them. We use the when we talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing. Means the is a definite article. Definite in the sense the is used where we talk about a particular person, place, animal or thing or before a proper noun. We use the examples: the Ganga River, the Taj Mahal, the Bible, the Mount Everest, the Times of India newspaper. You can see Ganga River is name of a river. Taj Mahal is name of a monument. Bible, the sacred book of Christian, name of a sacred book. Mount Everest, name of a mountain. Times of India, name of a newspaper. All these are proper nouns. Name of place, animal or thing, anything which are having name, we generally use the before them. Now the exercise of this lesson. Bit number A, fill in the blanks with A and N. First one, a table and a chair. Table T, chair C. These are consonants, so A is used before them. An eagle and a hawk. Eagle E is a vowel, so N is written. Hawk H is a consonant, so A is written. A cow and a bull. C, cow is a consonant, so A is written before it. Bull B is a also consonant, so A is written before it. Fourth one, an ant and a spider. Ant A is vowel, so N is written before it. Spider S is a consonant, so A is written before it. Fifth one, a ship and an aeroplane. Ship S is consonant, so A is written before it. Aeroplane A is a vowel, so N is written before it. Sixth one, an honest child and a dishonest man. Honest, as I told you, O pronouns word generally have N before them, so N is written before honest child. And dishonest D is a consonant, so A is written before it. B, complete the sentence with A, N or N. A monkey scared a bird perched on the branch of a tree. You can see all these are having consonant. Monkey M, bird B, tree T. They are having consonant, so A is written in three of them. Before three of them. Second one, I have an uncle who is an artist. You can see uncle also U, it is a vowel. Artist A also vowel, so N in both the case written. Third one, I ate an egg, a slice of toast and an apple for breakfast. Egg E vowel, so N is written before egg. Slice S consonant, A is written before it. Apple A is vowel, N is written before it. The farmer had a cow, an ox and a buffalo. Cow C is consonant, A is written before it. Ox O is vowel, N is written before it. Buffalo B is consonant, A is written before it. Fifth one, an old man fed a packet of biscuit to a dog. Old man O is a vowel, N is written before it. Packet P consonant, A is written before it. Dog D consonant, A is written before it. Bit number C, fill in the blanks with the correct option from the bracket. First one, this is a dash bracket coat, C-O-A-T, the coat I wanted. This is the coat, means here particularly we are indicating the coat where I want. So particularly you have to indicate, if you indicate some particular thing, then you have to use the before that noun. Simla is to the north of Delhi. The north or north. Here also about direction of a place, so the north. Dash is my favorite city, the Kochi or Kochi. The Kochi, because name of a city we don't use the. So it will be always Kochi, not the Kochi. This is dash first slice, the first time that I have come to Darjeeling. Here this is the first time I have come to Darjeeling. Means I am indicating about a place which I am coming for the first time. So Darjeeling is the name of a place, so you have to use the before first. Bit number D, there is an error in the sentence. Underline the error and rewrite the sentence correctly. There is a mistake in the sentence. You have to find out the mistake and correct it. Tarun came to school in an car. So C, car is a consonant. So N is written before it. So it is wrong. Tarun came to school in a car, not an car. A sun set in the west. All the heavenly bodies, sun, moon, stars, earth, these are all heavenly bodies. All the planets, we generally use the before them, not a. It should be the sun sets in the west, not a sun. Biju is an wise and honest man. Wise is a consonant. So it should be Biju is a wise and honest man, not an wise. Fourth one, my neighbor has an ferocious dog. Ferocious F is a consonant, so it should be my neighbor has a ferocious dog, not an ferocious dog. This lesson over, children. I am sure I have cleared your doubt through this video. If you have any doubt by watching this video or by listening the exercise part of the lesson, you can ask me later on. I will surely help you to clear your doubt. Don't worry about that. But my request to you children, please watch it again and again, so that I don't think there will be a single doubt left for this lesson. In the most simplest and easiest to process, I have taught you this lesson. So thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Stay at home and prepare for your final exam. Bye bye children.